examples. First one, examine whether f of x is equal to 3x while x lies between 0 and 1, otherwise it is 0. Is a probability function. Solution. So we need to check whether given function is probability function or not. So for conditions for probability density functions are function should be greater than or equal to 0 and its integral varies from infinite minus infinity to plus infinity must be equal to 1. So solution, conditions for probability density function are f of x greater than or equal to 0 and integration minus infinity to plus infinity f of x dx must be equal to 1. So just by observation clearly we can say that clearly the given function f of x is greater than or equal to 0. Now also integral minus infinity to plus infinity f of x dx is equal to minus infinity to integration from minus infinity to 0 f of x dx plus 0 to 1 f of x dx plus integration from 1 to infinity f of x dx. Now go on substituting respective values. So when x lies between 0 and 1, function takes the value 3x. For the remaining parts it is 0. So it is 0, 3x plus 0. 0 to 1 dx. So it is 3 into x square by 2 integral from 0 to 1. So it is 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 means what? Second condition is violated because we must have got 1. So second condition is violated, hence f of x is not a probability density function. So next example, examine whether f of x is equal to mod x is less than or equal to 1, 0, otherwise is a probability density function. So as in the previous example, just we have to check the two conditions. So we observe here f of x is what? It is a modulus of x. mod x is greater than or equal to 0. So also second condition, that is integration from minus infinity to plus infinity f of x dx. So it can be divided in the interval as minus 1 to plus 1 f of x dx. So it is integral from minus 1 to plus 1 mod of x dx. So again we can divide this as minus 1 to 0, it is minus x dx, plus 0 to plus 1, it will be plus x dx. So it is minus x square by 2 minus 1 to 0 plus x square by 2 0 to 1. So it will be 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 1. So both the conditions are satisfied. Hence given function f of x is a PDF, that is a probability density function. So in the next lecture we will solve some more examples on exponential distribution.